Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make Rajma curry. This is Rajma. I am going to make this curry today. So come on, let us start the recipe. If you like my channel, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Put some oil. I am going to use bay leaves, green cardamom, cloves, and this is darchini. I'm going to put it in now when the oil turns hot. Put in the onions. Onions are turning golden brown. See? Put in the ginger garlic paste. Put in the jeera and black pepper paste. Put in the saffron. Put in the chili powder. And let the masalas turn brown. Masalas are turned brown. Now I will put the rajma in it and fry it little bit. Put the salt to taste. Put the tomatoes. Put the water. Put the coriander leaves. And cover it up and give it about 5 whistles. Rajma curry is ready to eat with paratha, rice, curry. I kept little gravy because I like to eat with gravy. You all can keep it dry.